Hi students, this is El-Refaei, math teacher for both AS and A2 level. Today class we're going to talk about solving modulus functions. But before we start, I hope to watch video that talks about 1.2 sketching modulus functions because I'm going to use the sketching method in this class. What is the meaning of solving? Solving means I have to find the value of x that makes this equation correct. And this equation having a modulus sign. I'm going to solve the modulus functions by three ways. The sketching way, for that reason I'm telling you to watch video that talks about 1.2. Way number 2, change sign, and I'm talking about this later. Way 3, squaring, and I'm going to explain it. Sketching. This equation consists of two parts. The left part, y equals modulus 2x plus 4, and the right part, y equals 2. I'm going to sketch these two equations on the same xy axis. So I'm going to sketch y equals 2 because it's easier. It will be a horizontal line, cutting the y-axis at y equals 2. This is y equals 2. And then I'm going to sketch the modulus y equals 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4 equals 0. X equals negative 2. The vertex will be at x equals negative 2. As you know, according to class 1.2, it will look like a V shape. And the vertex will be x equals negative 2. A table x, y, negative 2, 0, negative 3, substitute 2 by negative 3, negative 6, plus 4, plus 4, negative 2 modulus, it will be 2. Negative 2 by negative 2, negative 4 plus 4, 0. 2 by 0, 0 plus 4, 4. I'm going to sketch it. Y equals modulus of 2x plus 4. Now, as you see, the two graphs intersect at 2 points when x equals negative 3 and when x equals negative 1. So I have two solutions. X equals negative 3, x equals negative 1. Always I tell my students that you should check, always check. If you use the sketching way or change sign way or squaring way, always check. Let's check 2 by negative 3 plus 4 modulus. Does it give me 2? Yes, 2 equals 2. 2 by negative 1 plus 4 modulus. Does it give me 2? Yes, 2 equals 2. So I have two solutions for this function. This is way 1. Let's move to way 2. Change sign. 2x plus 4 modulus equals 2. As I know, inside the modulus, I will have two answers only. It's 2 or negative 2, because the modulus of negative 2 will give me 2. According to that, I'm going to solve this equation by two ways. 2x plus 4 equals 2, according what is supposed to be inside the modulus sign, which is 2. And I'm going to get 2x equals negative 2 and x equals negative 1. Or 2x plus 4 will be negative 2. 2x equals negative 6 and x equals negative 3. The same answers as sketching. As I always tell my student, you have to check. Always check. Way 3, squaring method. 2x plus 4 square equals 2 square. 4x square plus 16x plus 16 equals 4. 4x square plus 16x plus 12 equals 0. X squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 0. Factorize x plus 3, x plus 1 equals 0. So x equals negative 3, x equals negative 1. And always check. Move to another example. X minus 5 modulus equals x minus 1. I'm not going to sketch it. I'm going to use the GeoGebra to sketch it and show you how many solutions we are going to get. 3x minus 5. This is the modulus part. The other part, x minus 1. This is the modulus part, 3x minus 5, and this is the linear part. So as you see, the green one is the modulus function, the blue straight line. We have two intersection points, one of them at x equals 2 and the other one at x equals 1.5. Now we're going to get these two solutions by using change sign method and squaring method. So according to the sketching way or the sketching method, we get two answers, x equals 2 and x equals 1.5 or 3 over 2. I advise my student to use way 2 or way 3. Use way 2 or way 3 in the exam and always check. Way 2, change in sign. 3x minus 5 equals x minus 1. 2x equals 4. X equals 2. 3x minus 5 equals negative x minus 1. Always inside the modulus sign, positive or negative. X minus 1. So 3x minus 5 equals negative x plus 1. 4. X equals 6. X equals 6 over 4. Simplify it, it will be 3 over 2. Always check. 3 by 2 minus 5 modulus. Does it give me 2 minus 1? 3 by 2, 6 minus 5, 1 equals 1. So this is a correct solution. 3 by 3 over 2 minus 5 modulus. Does it give me the same answer as 3 over 2 minus 1? 9 over 2 minus 10 over 2 equals 1 over 2 and 1 over 2. And this is acceptable answer. Let's move to way 3. Square both sides. 3x minus 5 squared equals x minus 1 squared. 9x squared minus 30x plus 25 equals x squared minus 2x plus 1. 8x squared minus 28x plus 24 equals 0 divided by 2. 4x squared minus 14x plus 12 equals 0 divided by 2. 2x squared minus 7x plus 6 equals 0. Factorize 2x, x minus 2 minus 3, so x equals 2, x equals 3 over 2. Always check, always check. Some students, they don't know how to do factorization. You can use the general formula. X equals positive 28 plus minus negative 28 square minus 4 by 8 by 24 over 8 by 2. You have to show the examiner using the general formula if you don't know how to use factorization, because this is M1. This is a mathematical step. I hope the three-way is correct. Let's move to another example. Pause the video for 4 to 5 minutes. Try to solve this part by using any of the three methods, but I do advise you to use method 2 or 3. Then check your answers with mine. Welcome back. Did you solve this one? Okay, some students try to solving by sketching, and I'm going to use GeoGebra to show you the sketching. The first one, x minus 4. The second one, y equals modulus of 2 minus x. How many solutions I have? I have one solution. When x equals 3, degree 1 for the green sketching is for the modulus of x minus 4. The gray sketching is for 2 minus x. So I have one solution, x equals 3. Okay, this is way 1, sketching. Let's move to way 2. Way 2, a change in sign. Now you see you have modulus sign for both sides, left and right side. According to that, I have to make them the same sign or different sign. In other words, I'm going to say x minus 4 equals 2 minus x, or negative for x minus 4 equals negative 2 minus x. Both of them positive, both of them negative. Whether I use both of them positive or both of them negative, I'm going to get the same answer, by the way. So no need to do these two steps. One of them is enough. I'm going to use the positive. X minus 4 equals 2 minus x. 2x equals 6. X equals 3. And the same, if you use both of them negative, you are going to get also x equals 3. Negative x plus 4 equals 2 plus x. 2x equals 6. X equals 3. So no need to waste your time. Make both of them positive or negative. One of them is enough. The other solution, we have to make one of them negative and the other positive. Okay, I'm going to make the right side positive and the left side negative. Negative x plus 4 equals 2 minus x. Cancel negative x, so there's no solution. Or the left side positive, the right side negative. Cancel x, so no solution. So make one of them positive and the other one negative. No need to do these two methods. According to that, I have one solution, x equals 3. Always check, always check. 3 minus 4 modulus, does it give me 2 minus 3? 1 equals 1. Let's move to the third way, squaring way. X minus 4 squared equals 2 minus x squared. X minus 8x plus 16 equals 4 minus 4x plus, sorry, this is x squared, plus x squared. Simplify it. 4x equals 12. Divide by 4, divide by 4, x equals 3. And always check. Okay, let's solve part D, 2 by modulus x minus 3 equals 2 minus 5x. I'm going to sketch it by using GeoGebra. Y equals 2 modulus x minus 3. Y equals 2 minus 5x. Now you see I have two graphs, one of them for the modulus function, the V shape, and the other one for the linear function. I have one intersection point. This is the intersection point. Let's find the coordinate of x for this intersection point by use change in sign. Method 2x minus 3 equals 2 minus 5x. 2x minus 6 equals 2 minus 5x. 7x equals 8. X equals 8 over 7. 2 by open bracket x minus 3 equals negative 2 minus 5x. 2x minus 6 equals negative 2 plus 5x. 3x equals negative 4. X equals negative 4 over 3. My graph showed that I have one solution. Using change in sign, I discovered out that I have two solutions. So which one of them is correct, the graph way or the change in sign way? I'm going to use the checking way. Always check. 2 modulus 8 over 7 minus 3, does it equal 2 minus 5 by 8 over 7? Use the calculator and get the answer for both sides. Are they equal or not? 26 over 7, does it equal 2 minus 5 by 8 over 7? Negative 26 over 7. The left side is not equal to the right side, so I'm going to reject 8 over 7. Check the other solution. 2 modulus negative 4 over 3 minus 3. Does it equal 2 minus 5 by negative 4 over 3? Use the calculator. 26 over 3. Does it equal to the right side? 26 over 3. The left side is equal to the right side, so the correct solution when x equals negative 4 over 3. Always check. Tells you that both solution acceptable or one of them is acceptable. Let's move to this third way, which is the squaring way. 2x minus 3, all of them squared equals 2 minus 5x, all of them squared. 2x minus 6, all of them squared equals 2 minus 5, 6, all of them squared. This is squared. 4x squared minus 24x plus 36 equals 4 minus 20x plus 25, x squared. I'm going to move the all terms on the left to be on right. 21x squared plus 4x minus 32 equals 0. Use the general formula. Negative 4 plus minus 4 squared minus 4 by 21 by negative 32 over 21 by 2. X equals negative 4 over 3. X equals 8 over 7. By checking, you're going to discover that the solution when x equals negative 4 over 3 and reject x equals 8 over 7. I hope you are satisfied about yourself. Let's move to the last example. Please pause the video for 5 minutes Solve it by using one of the three ways, then come back to the video. I'm going to use one of the three ways to solve it, and I'm going to use the squaring method. Give yourself enough time solving it and go back, check your answers. You solve it? Okay, I'm going to use just one method, and I'm going to use the third method, the squaring method. 2, 3x minus 1 all squared equals x plus 1 all squared. 6x minus 2 all squared equals x plus 1 squared. 36x squared, 6 by negative 2, negative 12, negative 24x plus 4 equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. 35x squared minus 26x plus 3 equals 0. Then I'm going to use the general formula. X equals 26 plus minus root square of negative 26 squared minus 4 by 35 by 3 over 35 by 2. I'm going to get two answers. X equals 1 over 7, x equals 3 over 5. Then I have to do check. 2 open bracket 3 by 1 over 7 minus 1 modulus equals 1 over 7 plus 1. This will be 8 over 7. Check to the left side, and this is 8 over 7. So 1 over 7 is a correct answer. 2 open bracket 3 by 3 over 5 minus 1. Does it equal to 3 over 5 plus 1? This will be 8 over 5. The right side, let's move to the left side, 8 over 5. So the other solution is also correct. Let's use the GeoGebra. Exactly. This is 1 over 7. And the other solution, 3 over 5. I hope today's class is clear, student. Please solve more exercises. See you then in another class.